Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Maua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. In Moral Science we have finished chapter 9 to 16 for SEM 2. Today let's start first revision SEM 2. Chapter 9, Tomorrow Never Comes. Work must always be done on time. It should never be put off until the next day. Our everyday work we have to finish on time. Don't leave for tomorrow. The habit of waiting for tomorrow is a sure sign of laziness. There is a popular saying, yesterday is a cancelled check, tomorrow is a promissory note, today is ready cash. Spend wisely. From this saying, we understand that yesterday is a cancelled check. You leave for tomorrow, then it's getting again and again tomorrow. And this lesson named Tomorrow Never Comes. So here this good saying, yesterday is a cancelled check, tomorrow is a promissory note, today is ready cash. Spend wisely. One fine day, Ganesh approached Shiva and said, Dad, it is high time for me to get married. Please find me a bride and arrange my marriage. I have been insisting for long, yet you never take it seriously. Ganesha approached and said his dad, What? It is high time for him to get married. He wanted to marry. Please find me a bride and arrange my marriage. I have been insisting for long, yet you never take it seriously. Ganesha many times said to his dad, but who's his dad? Shiva. Never take it seriously. Today I want you to give it in writing so that you don't change your mind. It was too difficult for Shiva to answer this question. It really put him in a shock because it was not very easy to find a suitable match for his elephant headed son. Do you know? Look here. Ganesha's head. How it is? Elephant headed. Okay. So here he write down that Ganesh, the son of Shiva, will be married on tomorrow. So as per that, after pondering for a little while, Shiva took his son to Mount Kailas and wrote the answer on a hard rock. And it read, Ganesh, the son of Shiva, will be getting married tomorrow. First, Ganesh what? Written that given Ganesha, the son of Shiva, will be married on tomorrow. Then his dad given to him that answer on hard rock. Ganesha, the son of Shiva, will be getting married tomorrow. And poor Ganesha at that time didn't realize the deception. But the next day, as usual, he found his father engaged in routine activities. And he was really irritated and rushed to Shiva and asked, Dad, what about my marriage? You promised and wrote it on the rock. I want you to keep your word. And Shiva gently took him to the same place and asked him to read what was written on the rock. Again, it read, Ganesh, the son of Shiva, will be getting married tomorrow. Tomorrow, do you know then? Next day. Okay. Poor Ganesh had no option other than to wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a beautiful escape mechanism and a deadly symptom leading to a path of laziness and irresponsibility. We are somehow hesitant to act instantaneously. Whatever is needed to be done, do it now and don't leave a backlog for tomorrow. Opportunity and time lost in waiting for tomorrow is lost forever. So your work do on time. Everyday work finish on that day only. Okay. Nothing can substitute them. There is only one life. Enjoy every bit of it. Don't postpone it for tomorrow. How can you be happy tomorrow if you are not happy today? Because out of this moment, the next moment is going to be born. This moment is going to become the parent of the next moment. So every day, opportunity to take and complete your work. If you are unhappy today, you will be more unhappy tomorrow. And if you postpone for tomorrow, then your today will remain the same as it had been before and the tomorrow never comes. We as Indians know how to postpone not only tomorrow but even to the next life. But if you live here and now, you will move very smoothly into tomorrow without carrying any backlog from today. Let every moment be complete unto itself, giving birth to a fresh next moment. Now you have only two options. Either you can be a now person or a tomorrow person. As you read this, decide now. Okay. It is said that today belongs to us, yesterday is dead, and tomorrow is not yet born. Don't live for tomorrow. Who knows what God has in store for us tomorrow? We don't know. No. Okay. Success comes to those who do their work promptly. You have heard of the famous French Emperor Napoleon. He lost the Battle of Waterloo only because his army reinforcement was 5 minutes late to the battlefield. You can miss the train by being just a few minutes late. It is common to tell ourselves, oh, this thing can be done at any time. Well, if it can be done at any time, why not do it right now? Okay. And if it is not done now, it will never be done. Time is very precious, and the only way to respect its value is by doing your work on time. Learn to be on time and to finish your work on time. All teachers also upload their PDF, their videos, daily purpose as per timetable. So dear children, do your work on time. Write down the PDF as per subjective books and also finish your work on time. As per that exercise, question answer and fill in the blanks. Learn by heart. Do more and more revision every day. Stay safe. Thank you.